Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today, January 31st, 2025, and the top crypto news is as follows. We will go to the states in America where several are aiming to make Bitcoin strategic reserve. Then, we will head to UOTA where the Commission of Legislation has essentially voted in favor of making Bitcoin strategic reserve in America. A commission in Utah has passed a bill allowing the state to invest a portion of public capital in crypto. The measure will now go to Parliament for a vote. The commission voted with 8 in favor and 1 against to pass this specific bill. From Utah, we move to Texas, where Governor Patrick has announced the legislative priorities for the state in 2025. Among these priorities is a proposal for the creation of automatic Bitcoin in Texas. So from the states of America, where Bitcoin adoption is gaining momentum, we now turn to Europe. Next, we look at the director of the Central Bank of the Czech Republic, who also supports Bitcoin as an automatic currency for the bank. Specifically, the director will present an investment plan for Bitcoin today. If approved, the plan could lead the bank to invest up to 5% of its assets in Bitcoin. These assets are valued at approximately $146.13 billion. From the Czech Republic, which remains highly crypto-friendly, we shift our focus to Trump, who is launching another company dedicated to crypto investments. Specifically, Trump Media and Technology Group, which manages his social media platform, Truth Social, announced on Wednesday that it will introduce a financial services and fintech division called TruthFi. As part of its diversification strategy, TruthFi may invest in Bitcoin and similar cryptocurrencies, or even acquire crypto-related debt, with a fund currently valued at $250 million. Moving on from Trump and into the corporate sector, we turn to Alibaba, which has just announced its new AI model, Qwen 2.5 Max. According to Alibaba, this AI outperforms DeepSeek version 3, which was released a few days ago, as well as Llama 3.1, ChatGPT, and Claude 3.5 in all the metrics it presents. As a result, AI-related cryptocurrencies in the market have seen a positive trend over the last 24 hours, particularly since an American company now appears to have surpassed China's DeepSeek. At this point, if we examine the crypto market in the last 24 hours, many AI-related cryptocurrencies are in the green, with some experiencing double-digit percentage gains. Now, moving away from AI, we turn our attention to the exchanges. Today, we start with Binance, which is facing criminal charges in Spain. A Spanish judge is currently investigating Binance over a €67,550 bribe related to an investor who was unable to access his capital. Let's say that the former CEO, Mr. CZ, was called to testify, but was forced to ignore or reject the request due to the ongoing legal problems that the exchange is facing. From Binance, the most interesting news comes from Crypto.com, where we have learned that it will delete Tether in Europe on January 31st. Let's say that after the delete, the exchange will continue to support withdrawals for Tether and the other 9 cryptocurrencies it registers until the end of the first quarter of 2025, with full delete scheduled for March 31st. On your screen, you will see the other 9 cryptocurrencies that the exchange will register in Europe, specifically on January 31st. Moving on from Crypto.com, we turn to our currencies and to Cardano, which, thanks to a hard fork named Plomin, is now 100% decentralized. Let's say that all Cardano holders voted, with 86% in favor. The upgrade took place yesterday at 2144 UTC, and now Cardano is 100% decentralized, with each ADA equaling 1 vote. Moving on to the last news of the day, we turn to Dogwafat, one of the biggest meme coins on Solana, whose price is rising because it reached 6 and announced this. Basically, it's not an announcement. It simply said, "Viva Las Vegas," and everyone knows that Dogwafat wants to be advertised in Las Vegas. For this reason, it raised more than $650,000, though the funds have now been depleted in pursuit of this goal. Rumors are once again spreading that it may finally be heading to Las Vegas. Now it's time for us to check in on our favorite crypto market. Bitcoin is standing close to $105,000, with the market feeling positive due to Mr. Powell from the Fed. As expected, he did not cut interest rates in the US, leaving them stable. Moreover, Mr. Powell did not make any negative statements about the US economy that could have scared investors. However, he did make a positive statement regarding Bitcoin, saying that banks are fully capable of serving crypto customers. Specifically, he mentioned that banks are in an excellent position to serve crypto clients as they understand and can manage the risks. I will include his official statement in the description below so you can watch it yourself. With this positive statement from Mr. Powell, combined with his lack of alarming remarks, Bitcoin and other markets are in good spirits. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, January 31st, 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care everyone and have a good day.